Tuitane. Gaceri. We tayari? We tayari? Neu? Sasa ntia ngwebera ori nanto baku. You want to sit? Okay. Okay. All right. Haya. We ready? Chiturongamea. Haya, mbeti.
Mugeni Kimeru. Betagwa Sankofa Gaceri mutai. Ndina miaka 5. Nde pipi tu. Na indomaga junja preparatory. Naimpendete Kimeru mono.
Aya, tugere na ndega poem kada kasengeresema amberia.
Ararere. Asema. Haudhi. Amatira. Anyenje. Aire. Anda. Amwene. Aikose. Haruguru. Ankanga. Amotete. Ande. Ameri. Amerama. Akoro. Agundia. Amarure. Hamburger. Anjugu. Atute. Andadani. Amto.
Wow, good. Aya. We na karuembo? We na karuembo ko? Aya, tuinde karuembo.
Ote, anchara, ote, anchara, ote, gantunde na coca, dengende na coca re, chenche shama togako, zenjera nyakwa, kunde modoria bagwa, shumbe na mote na go, kinyero shekera kwa, rere ngambo rakwa, rere ngambo.
Wow. Thank you. Na ndishukuru yao kwa hivyo lingairwa mpe. So give her a good clap and another one and a better one. She is the best of all. Okay, now we try that. Okay, give her a good clap and another one. She is the best of all. Pa, 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 pa. Very buega.
Buega.
Yeah. Aria mommy, where is the mother? She's here. She's Ivy Kende. Come and say hi. And the auntie, they are all here. There you go. And this is the support team. Where is Mawira? Mawira Ntoitomori is the one who is editing her book, her first Kimeru book. And one of the publishers and a poet, Kananu Jerusha.